Hey, so in this video we're going to change which reports are displayed on the report dashboard buttons on the bottom of the main Tascus screen. So I'm logged in as admin. I'll go to settings, and on the left hand side there I'll click on under station setup, go to reports. So that brings up a screen that has 8 different drop down lists, and those you can choose which button is linked, which report is linked to which button. So I'll change number 7 to suspend reasons and number 8 to custom report. I'll press OK, and that doesn't get applied immediately, so I'll just have to restart Tascus and those reports will get changed and applied the next time that it starts up. So I'll just go ahead and restart Tascus now, just wait for a second for it to load up. And then after I log in, I'll be able to view those new reports down at the bottom. So I've got suspend reasons now there, and I've got all my options for that. And if I go back to the home, I've then got my custom reports in the bottom right, like I've configured. So that's how you do it. That's how you change the reports on your dashboard.